Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making something sweet and salty. It's everyone's Christmas favorite and it goes by Christmas crack. Yes, you guessed it. If you guys know this by any other name, please let me know in the comments. But these are the ingredients that we're gonna be using today. I have some saltine crackers, dark brown sugar, butter, some Hershey's semi-sweet chocolate chips, and some coconut flakes. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to come and do is we're going to take our crackers. We're going to make sure the salted side is up and we're just going to place them all through our pan and fill it up, okay? Okay guys, so this is the way it's going to look when you have them all out in your pan. If you have any gaps like I did, I just took some crackers, I broke them in half, and then I just put them on the side here. So now we're going to put this to the side and jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to come and do is put my flames to a medium. And I'm going to start adding my butter, like 2 sticks of butter. Okay, and I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Okay, and now we're just going to let this melt. Okay guys, so it took me around 1.5 minutes for my butter to melt. So what I'm going to do is add my sugar. I think I need a better spoon to take it out. There we go. And now we're just going to mix it. You want to make sure that you're flattening it too because you want it to not be lumpy. Okay, and you're just going to mix until everything is well blended. Okay guys, so now that the butter and the sugar is blended well, we're gonna turn up the heat to medium, constantly stirring for the first few seconds, and then we're gonna let this come to a boil. Okay guys, so I just want to show you how it's starting to look. Now we're going to lower down the flames just a little more. Okay, you want to constantly stir. Okay, you want it to get thick. See that? So you want to let this boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, so I just want to show you it's been boiling for 3.5 minutes. We're going to leave it for 2 more minutes because you don't want it watery. You want it nice and thick. Okay guys, so I just want to show you this is ready. So now what I'm going to do is take it off the flames and we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now that this part is ready, we're just gonna come in, we're just gonna pour it on top. Don't be nervous or scared or anything, just pour it because we're gonna spread it evenly. You see how it's thick like a caramel? That's what you're looking for. Okay, so now I'm just gonna come with my spatula and I'm gonna spread it. If the cookies move, it's fine, you can always fix it. Okay, so I'm going to do this to the whole thing. Okay guys, so once you have it mixed, this is the way it's going to look. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, so this just came out of the oven. So what I'm going to come and do is add my chocolate chips right on top. And again, I will have the amount I'm using and what I'm using in my description below. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just let this sit here for 5 minutes so the chocolate can start melting. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes. What I'm gonna come and do, be very careful, hold it with something that can protect you. You're just gonna come with your spatula and you're just gonna spread. Look at that chocolate. Oh my goodness, this is what's gonna hold it together. And it's so good. Again, I will have the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description. And if you guys like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to give it a like, share it to your friends and family. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so once you have it spread completely like this, you can come with your toppings. You can put anything on this you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some coconut flakes on one side. Just like this, not so much. But you can come with some M&Ms, pretzels, with pecans, whatever you like. And you can add it. So I'm going to do one side like this with my coconut flakes, and the other side I'm just going to leave it like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this cool down for, I want to say like 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to put this in the freezer for 1 hour. Or you can put it in the fridge for 4 hours. It's up to you. So we'll be back after 1 hour because I don't want to wait that long. Hey guys, so it's been exactly an hour. And this is the way it looks. So what I'm going to come and do is just move it like this. See how it just lifted up when I did that? And I'm just gonna break it, okay? Let me see if I can lift it up like this. 1 second. So all I'm gonna do is just break into it, because you don't want it to, it doesn't have to be perfect. You break it any way you want. So once you have it broken like this, you come and you break them. And that's it. This is the way it looks, the one with the coconut. You see that? Let me, there we go. You see how beautiful? Look at the back. And this is ready to eat. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and share it out to your friends and family. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will respond. And again, I do have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description. And like always, have a blessed day.